We're here with day one of the Orcas to Susha Kayaking Expedition, and we arrived without boats. Hello, fellow humans. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. This is a new series that I'm starting, and this will not be a weekly series. This will come in chunks, but it will be on Thursdays. Turn on your notifications if you want to get notified when these videos come out. This first one is on a kayaking trip in the San Juan Islands. The next series will be on Baja, and that'll come in a few weeks. So keep a sharp lookout for that. I would not really consider myself a kayaker, but I am pretty much always down for adventure. So when adventure writer and mountain guide Charlotte Austin,
hey, I'm Charlotte,
invited me on a 3-day kayaking adventure, I was inclined to say, yes, I will come along and we will see what I will create. And this is what I have created. The adventure begins with Cat Carney.
I'm Cat Carney.
And I on a ferry going to Orcas Island, where we meet up with the rest of the team, of whom I have never met before. The team includes...
Hi, I'm Fred.
Hi, I'm Brooke.
What's up? I'm Merrill.
As well as the self-appointed cook.
Hey girl, I'm Patrick.
So we are staying in the kitchen. And we are possibly going to paddle from here and we can get boats, which someone forgot to bring. I don't mention any names. And eventually we want to get to Susha, which is way cool. The other place I'd love to take you guys, which would be a great day paddle if we can get really even better, is to launch either North Beach or West Beach and go out to Point Dowdy.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited we have experts with us. This is amazing.
I know I called Charlotte.
It's always so much better when like people know what they're doing.
Yeah.
I suppose that's true.
Sweet teas. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, I'm ready to go.
Can that just be the soundtrack to like our waking up early morning?
Sweet teas.
So Susha is a big objective for me because it's a marine park, and a couple of the pitches I have kind of floating around focus on that as a interesting public land, marine parks. So how can we set ourselves up to be in good position for like 2 big days, Thursday, Friday? So we need to get boats sorted today.
Champions. So like one kid sitting there pooping his boat.
We found bio-luminescent jellyfish.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
Dylan and I are going to drive out to Lawrence Point and do a little photography from there.
We got some fajitas here, some Mexican rice, some refried beans, a whole bunch of fresh fixings, a whole bunch of hungry kayakers. Enjoy the food.
Thanks for cooking.
My pleasure. So,
Sweet teas. Perfect.
If we want to go all the way around the island, we'll want to go clockwise because of the way the currents go. But if we just want to see the arms that are real cool, we'll just want to go counterclockwise. So it just depends on the group's sensibilities.
We are going to launch from North Beach here, and we're heading about 2 miles that way to Susia, and we're going to go hang out there for the day.
Oh, good.
You ready to paddle?
I think so, yeah. I'm ready to see some cool sea life.
How was your paddle yesterday?
It was awesome on the way back because it was like super calm. But we were really cold because it started raining on us on the island. So we just wanted to get back in the boats.
I'm more excited than ever to go yakking.
I just don't want to get eaten by an orca.
Today I discovered that you can fit a Phantom 4 into a kayak.
Oh, the sailor's life, the sailor's life, the sailor's life about me.
It was jumbly.
Jumbly.
Apparently that's what the Brits call that kind of water.
Yeah! It was marvelous. It was really nice. I like jumbly water. It was a proper sea kayaking journey.
I wish I had like... Meryl said the rocks are lava.
Okay.
Get off the rock, damn it.
Oh, I've got an idea.
Meryl, this trip wouldn't have been a success without you.
We approached Susia Island from the southeast and landed on the beach of Echo Bay. We portaged our kayaks to Shallow Bay, where we relaxed and had lunch.
Oh yeah.
It's like we're explorers and then the natives, you know. By the way, there's a much better bay right over here. Let me tell you about the story that I helped a 23-year-old out of his boat because his legs fell asleep.
Who was that?
Boil sealed pouch in water for 5 minutes? What the fuck is that? Okay, let's do it. Okay.
We're making a Middle Eastern inspired lunch pancake of the savory nature. Buttermilk pancake mix, slap ya mama Cajun seasoning, pepper, salt, garlic, and because we need some lime, just the tiniest splash. So it's really French Middle Eastern fusion. Somewhere like Bangladesh. Oh shit.
Get out.
I know. Yeah.
There we go. It's really a game of commitment. It's like life choices and commitment and follow through and watching for the little bubbles and understanding the process of leavening.
No, I liked it. It sounded really serious. I was like, what is she talking about?
Okay.
Oh, pancakes. I get it,
Okay.
yeah. It's a skill. It's acquired. Some people are born with it.
It all comes together. Yes. Do you like that curry packet? Right? Meryl, I'm gonna make up another batch of that batter. That's delish.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm Rick Jackson. I endorse this meal.
This is how you get product shots.
Labeled out. So great.
We're having such a fun time.
Oh man, Meryl, this is amazing.
And finally, we sealed the trip with a beautiful sunset paddle as well as a campfire. One of my favorite things about adventuring is all the things that you learn, and I learned a ton on this trip. One of the things I learned is how incredibly difficult it is to film a kayaking expedition whenever you're practically a solo cameraman. I also learned a lot about myself because I am not an avid kayaker, and so I'm not in kayaking shape. So I was incredibly tired most of the time. It was extremely difficult to keep up with everybody, but I did my best to try to keep. That paddle back from Susha Island was brutal at 3 miles, and I mean, I wanted to give up many times during that paddle, but one of the great things whenever there's a mile and a half ahead of you before you get to any land and a mile and a half behind you before you get to any land and no land on the sides of you, you don't really have the option to give up. You only have forward to go. So that's a great thing to learn in life, and I'm glad to have the opportunity to grow. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like it and leave a comment and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as I also create short documentaries on alternative styles of living. And thank you most of all to the patrons who support this channel. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. If you're interested in becoming a patron, check the link in the description down below and you can join the team. Big love. Go out there today and do something that challenges you and makes you grow a little bit. And have a great day. Dylan McGaster, over and out. Goodbye.